My name is David Stevenson. I am the product manager for ExOne. ExOne is an American-based company based in Pittsburgh, and our European headquarters are based in Augsburg, which is just outside of the Munich area. And in the Augsburg facility, we manufacture and sell the sand printing machines, 3D sand printing machines for additive manufacturing. And in the US, they specialize in the 3D metal printing machines. So basically, to keep it simple, what we do is we take the 3D CAD file, the CAD drawing, and we slice the drawing into layers, approximately 1/4 of a millimeter. And we feed these layers into our 3D sand printing machine, and we spread a layer of sand, 1/4 of a millimeter, and then we come with our printer head and we print the first layer with a binder. And where the binder prints, it adheres the sand together. The building box drops 1/4 of a millimeter, and we spread the next layer of material, and then we print the second layer. And we continue this process of dropping the building area, printing and recoating until we have built up a 3D object. We can do this in both sand and metal. Basically, we work with all industries. We work with the automobile industry, aircraft industry, energy and pump manufacturers, faucet industries. We can print any parts that they require from their drawing requirements. And we can print in various binder systems, phenolic, Ferran or silicate binder systems, which are used in the foundry industry. What we are developing in the future is to be more efficient and optimizing and speeding up our printing processes. And we're doing this by developing larger print heads and special recoating methods. Because the idea is we want to move from rapid prototyping into serial production. And this is the idea for our future developments. And we are introducing 2 machines, one in the middle of this year and one at the beginning of next year, which has speeded up these processes basically. This is ExOne's, we call it the M-Flex. You're looking here at the printer head, which is going over the cleaning station. The printer head moves over the building area and starts jetting a binder onto the metal powder which has been laid down. And then the print head comes back to the cleaning station, and the recoater at the rear of the machine lays the next layer of metal powder. And then the printer head goes back over and prints a new layer. Now what is happening is we're putting a new layer of metal powder using our recoater. Then the print head comes over the metal powder and jets a binder adhesive onto the metal powder, which adheres the particles per the CAD file. Then the recoater comes back over and puts down the second layer of powder. And then we come back over with the print head and reprint the second layer. So what we're looking at now is a prototype pump for a US company, and it was basically a proof of concept. And what we did was we printed this complete part except for the red bearing here. That's the only part we haven't printed, is this red bearing. We've machined the outside here and these surfaces, and also where the bearing fits. Yeah, but everything else is printed on our M-Flex machine.